Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you text colors, background colors, outline, text underline, border, and shadow. Okay, now let's start. Let's go to our code. Let's start with text color. Let's write a P tag here and write text color. How about line 500. There. Okay, now let's write here a name review about my name, Raihana. Now let's open live server and see what we have. Let's wait a little. There you have it. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Okay, let's go here. Let's go back. Now let's just copy this 2 times and then change the color. Let's change this to rose. This one to red. And this, make it a dark red. 600. Okay, we're gonna see that later. Let's do background first. Let's add a div. This, if you put a dot, a full stop, it means a div. Remember? And dot, and then let's write EG background color. How about yellow? Amber 500 and enter. Let's write here P tag. P tag text color white tail. Let's write here Tailwind. Now let's go and see. There we have it. Now we are just gonna copy it. Let's select it. Let's copy it 2 times. Let's change this color. Let's change this color to lime. This to rose. There. You're gonna see that later. Now let's do underline. Let's write how about here a P tag. Let's write here underline. Now let's write text color red. Around it. Text color red. One sec. Plus 700. And write decoration. Decoration is just like underline, but maybe just a little different. Right here. Tailwind is awesome. Now let's go and see. Where is it? Yeah, let's refresh again. There. Right here we have And let's go back and let's copy it. Two times. Change the color. Lime. Green. No, not green. Blue. Okay, let's check up. Let's go. Now let's do border color. Let's write here input. Input. Let's write here class. And let's put the border size. Border 2 and border color red 800 and we're done. Let's go and see. Refresh. Here it is. Now you guessed it. We copy it. Change the color. Purple. Green. Let's see that later. Now for outline color. Okay, outline color is like button. Let's write here subscribe. And now let's write here a class. Outline. And now let's write the color of the outline. So it's purple. Purple 500. And then now we are done. Let's just copy it already. What indigo here? One sec. Let's use another. Line or rose. Rose 800. Okay, now let's write here line. Okay, now let's go down. Now let's go and see. Okay. Oh, here it is. This is outline. Now we have maybe shadow. Okay. Now let's use shadow. Okay. Let's write here button. Button. Subscribe, and then let's write a color. Write class here. Class. Right here, beach, background, rose 500, and then write shadow for the size LB Now let's put the color. Shadow, rose 500. Okay, now let's copy it. Okay. Let's change the color. Sky. Change this to amber. Change this to okay. Now let's see what you have. Okay. Now you can see everything is good. Okay, for today I'm gonna go. See you next